Good morning, happy Friday. What a great week this has been. Boys and girls, do you know what's on Monday? Our book fair starts. It is an online book fair this year. So make sure you log in. We put the links on our blue page so you can buy some new books to read.
You know what? I'm just gonna stop watching YouTube and see what else I can do. Well, you guys, maybe you can go to bed. But it's morning. Yeah, it's supposed to be morning, Chica. So that was supposed to be like this. But anyways, you guys, you gotta go to bed. Come on, Toy Chica, just come with me. Okay. Well, I will bring the phone with me. Toy Chica, make sure you stay in bed. Okay, lady? Okay. Okay, so good night. Good night. What is this? Is that the train? It's a whistle.
Again, as a warning to others. Plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul.
What the freak was that? Was a nightmare? That wasn't a nightmare. I need to tell Chica about this in the morning. I need a flashlight. Something that's supposed to be scary of that ghost engine. It's a ghost engine. Sometimes ghost engines can be weird. I need a flashlight. Wait, who's that? Oh my gosh, what is that? What the was that? Ooh, I gotta go back to bed. I don't know that ghost engine was gonna come before he killed me for death. I gotta go back to bed. A couple minutes later in the morning. Chica, you do not agree what I just saw last night. I don't have time for your game, Toy Chica. And also, I won't get you a Happy Meal until you're fat. So, anyways, I don't want you to turn into a sugar monster again. What happened this time? Do you see Sonic EXE with a troll face on it? Or did you see Bloody Mary try to kill you in the bathroom? Or it was Ethan's plush while making out with a chick or something? No, it's not that true. I saw a huge ghost train. Okay, what is the ghost train name? I don't know. I just saw a huge ghost train. It was scary and had the number 0 and it was covered in yellow blood. That was disgusting. And you gotta help me kill this train. Who train is it? Is it gonna kill you? No, it's just a monster. Why? Is there someone gonna kill me or something? Who? Chica, look behind you! Wait, what? No! Chica! Oh no! Chica has been killed! I gotta get out of here! Oh, okay, go to the other way. Oh no, I tripped. I have the worst movie ever. Hey, it's me, your best friend Thomas the Tank Engine Ghost Train. Get away from me. Ow. Oh no, I tripped again. Oh no. This is the worst thing no, this is gonna happen. I don't want to get my pants killed. Aww. Oh my gosh, that was all the dream. Not even really. I am here for no reason. No!